What is up, y'all? Kristian Quincosa here, back with another cool video. And today, got a short and sweet one for you. Interest targeting is dead, and nobody's talking about it. So I'm going to talk about what we do, and oftentimes what we start with as a marketing agency. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So interest targeting is dead. And by the way, guys, if you guys like videos like this, I post them every single day. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And again, I post videos every single day, so why wouldn't you want to see them? Also, for those of you that have been messaging me on Instagram from these videos, I appreciate it. Keep it up. I get a lot of ideas from it, and those ideas are in the pipeline, and I will be recording videos based off of those ideas. So I appreciate you guys. Anyways, interest targeting is dead. So what we need to understand is that at one point, interest targeting held a lot of weight, meaning it would work really, really well to be extremely detailed. Well, ever since iOS 14 came out, you guys could look up the backstory on that. But long story short, iOS 14 came out. They got rid of the tracking on phones. So now people can opt out of tracking on the phones. And it's become very difficult for Facebook to nail down exactly who's interested in what and what they're doing. Same thing happens with the custom audiences and lookalikes, all that stuff. So what's the holy grail right now? What is the holy grail? And in my opinion, I think that open targeting is the holy grail right now. What that means is no interest. If you work in a very specific location, so your service is you only service, let's say, a 15, 20, 150 mile radius, whatever it might be, you can have location targeting. If not, just keep it to your country. So USA in this case. What else do we got? No age. Unless you guys are selling like retirement packages, then sure, filter age. If you're selling to homeowners, maybe you could filter some age by 25 years old. But even then, at the beginning, I really don't recommend, unless it's something that, hey, we are only targeting older people, and it makes zero sense to target anybody from 18 to 45 years old. So no age targeting. What else do we got? We got no age, no male or female targeting either. None of that stuff. So we want to keep it as open as possible, meaning we're not doing any specific targeting. So when you're doing no specific targeting, you ask yourself, dude, what the hell is going to actually filter the people that come in? And this only works with video ads. So if you only do graphic ads and you're stubborn and you don't want to try video ads, then get out of this video. It's not going to help you out. But this is only for video ads. So what happens when you are targeting everybody and you have no way of getting to someone specifically? Well, your content matters more than ever. Your content matters more than ever. If you go to my last video, I go very in depth on how to, it's titled, what's it titled? Something about increasing lead quality. I talk about content there, and I talk about qualifying and disqualifying. So this video is going to be a little bit more general, and I'm going to go into some other things. So if you want in depth on how to create content that qualifies, disqualifies, all that fun stuff, go check out my last video. Anyways, your content is important. Things that you want to focus on: who you are, what you do. I'm just going to be putting words here. Who you are, what you do, where you are, right? And then your offer. What you offer. Those are the things that you want to focus on at the beginning, in my opinion. I don't want to be too hyper specific. I want to be getting an influx of leads, and we might have some qualified, some unqualified, but my goal is to start gaining traction. Then I can start narrowing down from age, gender, all that stuff. Platform, placements, right? Go see my lead quality video if you're in that stage. But at the beginning, I want to cast a wide net in a wide body of water. So that's why open targeting is the most important factor, because we want to start wide. We want to go big. We want to target a lot of people. We want to get the most eyeballs. And that's what you're going to get. You're going to get the most eyeballs they're usually going to be cheaper. Let me put a check mark here. Meaning it's going to be cheaper for you to target everybody than it is to target a very, 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 very specific niche. And then once again, content is going to be key here. So your goal is to try to capitalize and filter people through your content. Because if you are selling to entrepreneurs, or if you are selling a specific product, a service that tailors to a specific group of people, and interest targeting isn't working for you, then you want to make sure that you're talking to those specific people. Simple things that work often are call outs. Hey, if you are looking to get healthy, this and that, whatever, if you're a fitness trainer, like those type of call outs. Hey, if you're a business if you're a business owner and you're struggling, those type of call outs, because it's going to filter the people from the open targeting to get your ideal person. And the way that this works is that Facebook is smart. Facebook says, man, all these people are becoming leads. They're paying me because they want more leads. Great. So I'm seeing business owners are opting in, or people that are interested in health. They're interested in health. And it's going to show your ads more to people that are more likely to submit their information for your offer. So that's extremely important. Call outs are big. And that's a good, easy way to pair a call out with what we just spoke about, which was who you are, what you do, what you offer, and where are you located. This is more for service specific, right? So if you're a roofer and you only work within a 75, 100 mile radius, whatever it might be, this is going to be good for you. But for all you other guys that can probably work with anybody around the company, these are going to be the key points for you. Now, this is going to be a short video, but the key KPIs that you want to be paying attention to are cost per lead, cost per click, and click-through rate. And if I add another one here, I'd probably put CPM, which is your cost per 1,000 views. You know, as a business owner, or if you're an agency watching this, you should know what your goal cost per lead is, right? Like what the company's used to paying, what they should be paying, all that stuff. So you want to make sure that you have these on check. CPM is going to be more of a you thing, and it fluctuates between industries. So it makes no sense for me to be like, oh yeah, you're looking for a $10 CPM, because it makes no sense for me. There's so many different industries and so many different factors that go into it. This CPM could be very relevant for one business and irrelevant for another business. So your click-through rate typically wanted at, what did I do here? There we go. You typically want it at probably like around 3%. Your cost per click, I like to keep mine under $1.50. Right? At one point I was saying under $1, but times have changed a little bit. And then your cost per lead is going to fluctuate business to business. It's going to fluctuate. So if you're a real estate agent and you're selling $1 million houses, chances are your cost per lead is going to be a little bit higher, because there's more people that can't buy $1 million houses than can buy $1 million houses. Right? If you're selling a $20 workout program, your cost per lead should be very cheap. $5, $6, $7. That's where your cost per lead should be. So you should know what your cost per lead is, but these are the key KPIs that are going to allow you to understand where you are, and then also narrow down when you want to get higher quality leads, right? So this is good for quantity. If you want higher quality, go to my last video. It's all about getting higher quality leads through your advertisements, and it shows you how to use your content to filter that. So you could use the same open targeting method, but also talk about narrowing down interest and going a little bit deeper into interests that are working and are and possibly can work. So there's a lot of testing involved in that. So that's all I got for you guys. Look, it's a quick 9-minute banger for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe. I've managed over $7.5 million in advertisements over the last 6-7 years in my career in marketing. And my goal is to come on here and add value to you guys. So if you are getting value, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.